Meaning of inaccessible.
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 Inaccessible. The word inaccessible refers to something that cannot be easily reached or obtained, usually due to physical or logistical barriers. It can also refer to something that is difficult to understand or approach intellectually. In both cases, the implication is that there are significant obstacles that stand in the way of achieving one's desired outcome. When something is inaccessible, it may require significant effort or resources to overcome these barriers, and success is not guaranteed. This term can be applied to a wide range of situations, from physical locations to abstract concepts and ideas.